Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through Goodreads for beginners. Here are the beginner-friendly steps to help you get started with Goodreads on your device. First, download the Goodreads app. Open the Google Play Store, search for Goodreads, and tap Install. Open the app. Once installed, tap the Goodreads icon on your home screen or app drawer or tap on Open here. Sign up or log in. Tap Sign up to create an account using your email, Google, or Amazon. So I will create using my Amazon account. Choose favorite genres. Goodreads will ask what types of books you like. Select genres like fantasy, romance, mystery, etc. Tap the one you preferred, and then tap on Next. Here, you have the option to rate the book. Rate books you've read. Rate at least 20 books to get personalized recommendations. Tap the star rating, 1 over 5 stars. Rate the books of your choice, then hit Next. Tap I'm done, then hit Next again. Tap on Finish, and tap on Done. Set up your profile. Hit More in the bottom right, then tap on My Profile. Here, add your name, profile photo, and a short bio. Add books to your shelves. Tap on My Books, then choose one of these: Want to read, Currently reading, or Read. Search for books. Tap the search icon to find any book by title, author, or ISBN. So for example, I'll tap on this adventure. Then I'll tap on the book. For example, The Ashfire King, to add it to your shelf. Tap on the arrow downwards, then choose Want to Read. Then hit the check button to save it. Scan books using barcode. Tap on the camera icon in the top right, then tap Scan. Use the barcode scanner icon to scan real books and add them to your shelves. Follow friends and authors. Connect with friends to see what they're reading. Follow authors to get updates and new book releases. Set a reading goal. Tap More, then Reading Challenge to set how many books you want to read this year. Write a book review. After finishing a book, tap Rate It, then hit Write a Review to share your thoughts. That's it. You're now ready to explore, track, and enjoy your reading journey with Goodreads. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.